Hey, Breddies, what are we drawing today, Jane?
My seahorse.
Ooh. Jane got new Crocs and new Croc, what are those?
Charms.
Charms. And we're gonna do the Seahorse today. We thought you guys would enjoy that. Say hi to Bob back there.
Hi there.
See Bob, the skeleton? He's pretty cool. All right, Breddies, what do we need to draw with? A piece of paper
Piece of paper.
and something to draw with.
Tomato.
All right, let's get started. All right, Breddies, we are ready to do our No. You want to do a unicorn, Seahorse?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's turn this into a unicorn, Breddies. All right, first step is the head. So it's really simple, Breddies. We're gonna start with its little mouth because seahorses have this angled little mouth. So just do a line on the left side of your paper to start the mouth. Got it, Breddies? All right. Good job, Jane. Next step is we're gonna do a curve down. Ready? Just a little curve down. Perfect. On the bottom, same curve. Ready? Weep. It's like almost a baby elephant nose, huh?
No.
Job, Jane. Then the bottom of his face is another slow curved line. Just over like that. It's like his
cheek.
Yeah, it's his cheek. Perfect. Now, Breddies, we're gonna take this around and down. Ready? Up, around, and down. Can you do that, Jane? Wow, Jane's getting so good. I hope you Breddies at home are getting good with lots of practice. Good job, Jane. Let's keep trying. All right, now we're gonna take his neck out to his cute belly. Ready? Go down from the cheek just a little, and we're gonna do a big belly. So curve line out and back. So easy. Perfect. All right, now we're just gonna whip this around. They have a tail that goes forward. That's what gives them a very distinct look. So curve forward, Breddies, just like that. Oh, Jane got ahead of me. She did the swirl already. So it's super easy. We just kind of curve that in. Jane already did it. And then take this circle back and down, Breddies, in one good. Now we need to bring this tail all the way up to about here. You want to do a dot? Because we're going to save space. Let's do a dot about middle way through the belly. We'll do a dot right there. All right, ready, Breddies? So imagine this tail connecting there. Ready? Super easy. Around and up to our dot. Perfect. Now Jane's dot is going to be the beginning of her fin, which I'll show you here. Basically, you could do a pick about where the belly is, go in a little, and do a dot to start your fin. And all that is, Breddies, is a curved line out like that. Go, Jane. Nice. Now we're gonna do a top of our fin and the opposite curve over here. So we're gonna go about right here, and we're just gonna curve line out like that. Got it? Yep, perfect. Curve it out. Nice. All right, Breddies, and this is his cute little fin. You can do this round, you can do it bumpy. A lot of people do whatever they want. I like this one. I think this one looks cool. It's like a little curve in like that. But Jane did the opposite bump, which is also a cool way to do it. Whatever you want. Okay, and now, just to show these lines like a fin, we're just gonna do two simple lines. 1 and 2. Nice, James. Looking so good. All right, Breddies. Now we're gonna attach the back to the neck So bring your neck in and down. Ready? Whoop. Just like that. All right, what are we missing, Jane? Yeah, seahorses have this really cool little fin type mohawk looking thing. So you can do it however you want, Breddies. I think we're gonna also do a little baby unicorn horn, right? So let's do that first. For a unicorn horn, Breddies, you know what to do. We like doing cute little baby ones. So just a nice curve like that.
I like big.
You want a big one? Okay, do a big one. And then I like doing
Can you do a dot one?
like
I can
that.
Stop.
And it just looks like a cute little unicorn horn.
Where do I stop? I don't
All right, Breddies, we are almost done. Few more details. So, Breddies, just take a line straight up like that. And then this is another fun one. You can do these kind of bumps. You can do outward bumps. I'm gonna keep it just like this. And I'm just gonna do nice pointy bumps like that all the way down. I think that's gonna look cool.
I wonder what I should do.
Jane, you wanna do your bumps like that one?
No.
And then Breddies, we're just gonna take these bumps all the way down to basically the fin. Like that.
Can you show me what it would look like? It would look like
So
that.
good. Kind of. Oh, I want to do the belly too. Belly and the eyes and Breddies, I think we're done. Oh, you're gonna do it like mine? Yeah, it looks kind of like a crown almost, huh? Take that a princess crown. Take that all the way down to the fin. Perfect. And then, Breddies, you see where each point is? I like doing a line.
A little one.
That doesn't connect, but just goes towards
I don't want
those points. But you don't have to.
I'll add it if in the end if I change my mind.
Okay. Should we do like a little smile right here?
Okay.
Yeah, let's do a little smile. Whoop. Cute.
Time for the
All
eyes.
right, the eye and then the belly. Let's do the belly. It's really easy. We just connect anywhere you want, and you can curve it. You can keep it straight. You can go around. Yeah, I like what Jane did. I'll do to do a little different. I'll kind of curve mine, like up, like that. So it shows his belly. And then Breddies, I like doing just some cute lines to give it a little detail.
Would a real one have one?
I think so. And the one on your charm we're doing, you could tell, Breddies, if you look real close, it's got the teal belly, the pink, and then the teal fin. So I might do it just like that charm.
I'm gonna do it different.
All right, here's the fun part. The big, cute eye. So, of course,
The moment you've all been waiting for.
yeah, the bigger the eye, the cuter, right? So let's do a big eye. Ready? Big circle. It's so cute. Wow. Whoa, yours is huge. All right. And then you can do your dots any way you want. I do a big one like that. And then a little one in the front. And then, Breddies, we just color it in.
Mine will look so cute.
And we are all done, Breddies.
No, we're not.
Oh, well, we're done drawing. So those are the steps. And now it's time to color. All right, Breddies, we'll fast forward this part and see you in the end of the
Wait
video.
for me.
She's almost there. All right, Breddies. 3, 2, 1. We did our unicorn seahorse. It was so fun. Jane, did you have fun? Any advice for the Breddies? No?
I don't even know what that means.
Oh, some tips or tricks so they can draw better next time.
Oh.
Any advice?
Have fun.
Have fun. That's the best advice ever. All right, Breddies. We hope you had fun. Join us next time. We'll see you later. Bye.